Hello, this tutorial comes to you from my front porch as I am working from home making tutorials on this sunny but a little chilly day as I'm wearing my sweatshirt. And I am here to talk to you about how to invite your students and, if you'd like to, how to invite your colleagues to be co-teachers on your Google Classroom page. So in my class, I have already created my English 4 class. Once I come in here, I can go to People. And from here, I can invite my students and I can invite my teachers. So once you are inviting your students from your organization, it's as simple as having your class roster next to you and starting to type their names, because their emails will automatically pop up. And students can be coworkers as well. These are not actually students that I am pulling up here. They are coworkers as I'm setting up this shell class. So as you invite your students, you simply click their name or type their names. You click invite, and you'll notice that your list is populated. Once your students are actually in, you will see them more as a link. I think they turn blue, and it will not say invited next to their names anymore. Instead, it will say invite guardians. Now you can also invite a teacher to be a co-teacher, and it's the same. You just start typing their name and they should appear in your email list. And again, once they're in your classroom, they will no longer say invited. And it's as simple as that. Now, if that's not the way that you want to invite your students, if you don't want to do it through email, if you go back to your stream, you have a class code right here. You can actually take this class code and you can copy and paste it into your own email. You can send it out as a class dojo code with Google Classroom on there, or whatever form of communication that you actually have with your students at this time. And that would be a way that students could come in and click on that plus button in Classroom and join a class. So I hope this made inviting your students and co-teachers easy for you, and I wish you the best.